I'm Ava.
And I'm Emily.
This is our marble run. We worked really hard on this, so I hope you like it. It's still going, which might take a while. We aren't going to speed the process up, even though we can. We just want to see how long it could take for you guys to build this.
Well, now that our video is ending, we hope that this inspired you
To make
make a marble run at home.
like this.